So Leading Cyber Ladies is a global network of women in cybersecurity. It's a great opportunity to meet experts who are seasoned in the field, who have a lot of experience and can share their knowledge. I talk a lot about curiosity as one of the hacker's traits and persistence. A while back, I have a development background. I was part of software development projects, and I came across security aspect, and it caught my curiosity, right? How does it work? How does it doesn't work? And how applications could be misused, and how attackers could access the data and so on. It raised more and more questions, which to me were exciting. I wanted to solve them, and I wanted to get down to the point of the problem. How do we protect it so that attackers cannot anymore access our data, they cannot break into our applications. The biggest lessons I've learned along my way, there are different challenges. There are challenges with communications, with priorities, and so on. Soft skills are important. In order to gain understanding of importance of cybersecurity, you need to be able to communicate the problem. And you have to communicate the problem to people who have no clue what cybersecurity is. And I've learned that you have to learn how to communicate efficiently and explain the problem in a simple way. My advice for someone who's learning cybersecurity or trying to get into a field is shift your mindset to a hacker mindset. Think like a hacker, because without understanding the offense, you cannot understand the defense. You cannot understand how to protect the systems. The biggest challenges in industry, in cybersecurity field, and I look at cybersecurity field as every industry has an aspect of cybersecurity, right? It's not only cyber company that has challenge, right? It's every company who needs cybersecurity have a challenge. And the biggest challenge is on the talent. We have lack of talent. So we need more diversity in this field, different backgrounds. And I'm not only talking about ethnical background, I'm talking about professional backgrounds, the diversity in that. From another background, like from medical field or from legal field, and becoming cybersecurity expert, and they bring such an interesting perspective solving those problems. The job opportunities in industry there is a vast opportunity. I see hiring positions, jobs all the time. Many companies that we work with as Leading Cyber Ladies, for example, they reach out and ask to pass our recruitment to the industry, to the community, so people can apply. Leading Cyber Ladies, for example, is one of the community groups where we pull the experts together and we provide this path and help for people to transition their career in cybersecurity and even grow career later on.